Yo, what's up everyone? Good to see you guys and gals. We appreciate you all tuning in to the live stream. And yes, before you tune in, just remember, not financial advice. You all got to do your own research, of course. Alright, yes guys, let's go over today what ended up happening. We'll go over what happened yesterday, and then yes, we'll look for something new for today. So today is going to be a nice short day. So Christmas Eve here. And yeah, I want to see how things play out with a lot of these trades, a lot of these setups that I'm currently looking for. So I think we just told the team we're on live. I gotta pull up this other chat here really quickly, so give me 1 second. And then yeah, we're gonna knock today out. So looking for maybe one more good hit. So the last 2 days have been really good. So I kind of want to see if we can get a nice little finishing touch here. Alright, so I kind of already made this box this morning before I got on live stream. But yeah, what I did see here, clear gap down to no consolidation there. I can see we're trying to itch our way up, so above that 623. I do like that to the upside, up to that 628. Yes, I did see on a lower time frame there is a little bit of turbulence at this 624, so we would have to get that nice break outside of this little area too for that upside, for that continuation. Alright, so for the downside, hold on, let's see. Alright, did not mean to do that. Let's cancel all of that. Alright, so yeah, there's two possible outcomes that I do like. Hold on, let's see. 621 down this. Okay. So this is a small move, I would say. So yes, there's a little gap here. Hold on, this is what I like here. So they all look like pretty much small moves, at least for this move here. So it looks like we got a box there. And yes, under this 620, we'd love to see down to this 619. So honestly, looks really good. We'll just have to see how everything plays out. Yeah, we got empty space that is below us. So sees a clear gap up, no consolidation. Looks really, really good to me. Alright, cool. So yeah, I am expecting a bit of chop today. So markets close pretty early for today, so got to be very careful. Might get a little smack in here or two. Let's see here. So this is like the baby move that I was talking about, like a very small move here. 621. First, I might even end up trying that down to this 621.08, and then yeah, that's that. So there's a little pocket there that looks really decent. Alright, so yeah, that's on the cues. Obviously, if we end up going up above that 623, looks really, really good to me. So hopefully you guys can see my screen a little bit better. Just pull that back a bit. Alright, so yeah, that's on the cues. Let's go to SPY. We're going to pull up SPY, Tesla, NVIDIA. Obviously, everyone knows about BA, so BA is still holding strong as of now. So yeah, we are inside of that empty space here. Kind of want to see if we can press up into this level. So it looks good. It's just moving slow. BA does like to do BA things. But it looks like, you know, all of our moves that we ended up having, you know, just yesterday, the day before. So yesterday was a great move. Clear gap down. We broke above our level, our wall. Empty space. Both targets ended up hitting. Even with a lot of the chop. And yeah, that was yesterday was a great day. A nice clean day. You can see a couple members ended up hitting that little trade on SPY with us. So yeah, looking for the same thing for today. Let's see what the damage is on SPY here. Alright, so as you can see, so this was a play from yesterday. And you can see this is the same exact play pretty much. Clear gap down there. See 30-minute chart. You can see this was that first, but yeah, we ended up hitting that final. And we pretty much stayed there. So we stayed there. It looks like we're going up just a bit. Okay. I'll be honest there. Okay, I kind of want to get rid of this. Kind of want to get rid of this and see if we can. All right, hold on. All right, so if I took this trade, it'll be more of like a small little lotto trade if we can get it. Yo, Uncle Will, what's up, bro? Yo, Dallas, thanks for the live stream, bro. Appreciate it. Yeah, man. I know you already want SO5, man. I got you, bro. Good to see you on this Christmas Eve. All right, so there is a small pocket here. So I did see like a small little pocket here up to this 688.82. So I'll be honest, another small move. Nothing, you know, wild for me. But yeah, if that ends up happening, that's also another little play that I could see. So that's the upside. That's the first little target that I can see here. And then, okay, I kind of want to see that. Hold on, where are we at? So, all right, there we go. All right, so I kind of like the 30-minute. 30-minute looks good. Yo, Tay, what's up? Did I do IWM? Nope, not yet. DJ T, yep, got you, Richard. We can do that as well. Yo, media guy, what's up, bro? Bro, I'm surprised you're up. Media guy, he pretty much works on the videos at night at like 2 to 3 a.m. and then yeah, that's that's his schedule. Merry Christmas. I just wanted to thank you all for the help this year. Yo, Uncle Will, no worries, man. Thanks for being part of the live stream, bro. All right, so this is that next little leg up. So about that 689 up to this 690. So yeah, got this clear gap down, no consolidation. Would love to see if we can break outside of this wall into this empty space too. So we'll have to see how things play out. Honestly, looks really good. Looks like the play from yesterday. So this is that first little pocket that I was seeing, that I was referring to. So if we end up, or it looks like it's already trying to go up here. So kind of want to see if we can retrace first and then eventually hit that. So literally looks like the same move from yesterday. Clear gap down, like kid you not, clear gap down there, empty space above us. So looking for that same move. Obviously, you know, everyone's going to be like, okay, so that was yesterday. What you do the day before? The day before that. See, I think this was what, Monday. Clear gap up, empty space below us. Same thing, IWM. So yeah, I pretty much try to look for those same exact setups here, and you can see what a few members did. That was on what, 2 days ago? Just 2 days ago. Keys, baby. Green Day starting the week good. So yeah, nice little trade on that. Nvidia, yes, we'll go over this as well. Have you found something today? Yeah, I found a couple. I found like maybe one or two so far that I do like. I haven't looked at Tesla though, so I do want to look at Tesla, see if there's anything there for today. Hold on one second. I gotta get rid of this and let me see. Let's see. Writing some things down. All right, cool. All right, I'm gonna keep an eye on this one today. So I did end up missing this one here. So yeah, we had this clear gap down, no consolidation. Above that 190, I want to see the upside to that 195. Obviously below us too, so you can see that we got a box here. Nice top, bottom over there, and then yeah, right under us on that 188 down to this 183 looks really good. So I do want to see either way. Right now we're just stuck in this box, we're stuck in this level, this wall, so we just wait for trades, just like the play from yesterday. We had to wait for this. So yeah, first time I got in, I had to scalp it, and then I got stopped out of the rest. So I could care less if I have to stop out of a trade. We find that re-entry, and yeah, we get in, and you can see pretty much the aftermaths and what we do here. Yo, I know, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Path, yep, got you, bro. Do you think SPY is bearish today? Honestly, it looks like it looks like it's trying to go up for calls, but honestly, I don't really care how I don't really care for. Hold on, my bad, guys. Just making sure my levels are right. Actually, SPY looks really good to the downside too. So obviously it looks like we're trying to push up, but things can change at open. I mean, I could care less where it goes as long as it goes somewhere. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. So we got like what, 30-40 minutes left for that 9:30 candle to open. So yeah, we'll have to see. He said, hopefully it's not chopped. So, yeah, I feel like we might get like 1 or 2 decent moves in the morning, and then I feel like we might end up chopping for today. All right, so yes, let's keep on going. Let's see where Tesla is. Let's see what Tesla's talking about here. Yo, Brady Young, thanks for the follow, man. Yo, Lee, what's up, what's up? Good to see you, man. What's your call on SPY in 40 minutes? Yo, Carl, what's up? For me, man, I'll be honest, bro. I don't trade with emotions. So just how Uncle Will just commented. But yeah, we don't trade off emotions. I only trade with the charts. So I could care less where we go as long as we can go somewhere. I don't really have. Obviously, I mean, if we want to go to this empty space, I'll definitely get in for calls. But yeah, just gonna have to see. Obviously, if we drop, you know, this is that play here that I can see which looks good. So just like every day in my Discord. Like, I set the play, so we have the play set. You can see how we call them out. So this play wasn't ready. Obviously, if SPY wanted to drop, we wouldn't have gotten this entry at all yesterday. But, yeah, went up past our entry. We had a very clean entry on this. Same thing. This is one I didn't end up missing on Tesla. But, yeah, empty space. Just got to wait for it pretty much. All right, so, yeah, let's keep on going. And, yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Honestly, join the free chat. Say how you like it. Everyone here is pretty cool. You can see what we pretty much do here. We do have these codes. 40% off that yearly and lifetime, and 35% off the weekly and monthly. Those will be ending on Friday officially. So we've had those up for a minute. So we will be ending those very, very soon. Alright, so we already know about BA. We already know about SPY. Tesla. Alright, so let's get rid of this. Let's see the damage here. Okay. 488. Alright, so hold on. I'm going to pull up all these other stocks really quickly. So SOFI, SLV, I believe. Or, hold on, let's see. Let's see. Path. Alright, cool. Yep, we pulled that up. What else did you guys want to see? I think, DJT, I think someone wanted us to look at that too as well. So yeah, we're pretty much just pulling up everything. Oh yeah, so yeah, about the course, yeah, so we will be adding another discount for that too. So which we haven't done at all. So yeah, we'll probably post that up today, and that does come with 2 months free in the VIP Discord too. So obviously, we do have, you know, the course. It goes for over pretty much everything. It says 1 month, but yeah, 2 months is there. We'll probably post like a 20% off code or something. Probably a little later today. All right, so let's see here. 30 minutes. Okay, I do like the 1 hour. Yeah, I'll be honest. I think the 1 hour, at least for me, looks a lot better. So there's a box here, and then I do see. We got another good box here. So, what I personally would want is this. So, above this 490 area, we have empty space up to this, let's see, 494. So, it actually looks really good. So, yeah, clear gap down, no consolidation. I want to see above that 490 into the empty space up to that 494. That's if we can get a nice little play. So, looks really good. Empty space is there. Pretty decent. So yeah, that's on let's see here. So that's on Tesla. Obviously, this little play here that I can see up to this let's see. So obviously, if we break above this 488, may end up taking like a lotto up into this 489 and see if we can, you know, eventually go up into this empty space here. But yeah, we'll just have to see. I do like that 490 clean break to that upside, so not too bad there. Downside, let me see. I do see something here already, but I feel like that's a little sloppy there. So yes, we got downside. There's a little pocket here, I guess you could say there. Let's see here under this. So top, bottom, all there. Empty space. 480 down to that, what's this, 475. So actually not a bad move, I would say. Pretty decent move if we can end up getting that. So it looks really good. I don't see the Discord link, so yeah, the Discord link is in my bio. So it's that actual first link. It says WAP. So yeah, that's to access the free chat or the VIP chat. So it's that bio. Okay, Tesla doesn't have a bad move, I would say. Looks pretty good, pretty dandy. But yeah, everything's in the bio. If you want to join the free chat, it's there. If you do join the VIP, those are these codes that will be ending on Friday. So you can see that in the free chat here. Okay, SOFI. All right, Uncle Will, I will be honest. Hopefully you're still watching, man. But I do like it. It still looks good. For me, at least, we aren't there quite yet. Do you need to download the WAP app? I don't think you do. You just need an email, pretty much. Yo, Sinky, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. All right, so SOFI, we'll go over a lower time frame too. Kind of want to go over this higher time frame first. So I've been waiting on this. I do want to see above this 27.79, and dude, yeah, we got empty space up to this 29.21. So yeah, it looks good. Do want to see if we can get that little entry there. To the downside, let me see here. All right, the downside, I'm gonna get rid of this. So I'll be honest, I just like the upside there. I probably won't play this downside, just because it's like a very small move, and so actually there is something here. So yes, there's a small pocket that we could end up going into here. We'll break under that 26.95. But what I do see that isn't bad. Hold on, let's see. Looking at let me see. I think the 1 hour looks good. So the 1 hour looks really decent. I like this structure here. Got a top, bottom all there. Pretty much just going to move these since those are relevant lines as of this second. So top, bottom all. Nice little play here. So under that 26.21 down to that 25.50. There's that empty space there. But personally, I do like the 4 hour. It's a bigger move. It's nice. It looks very clean. This one looks clean too as well. But yeah, the upside looks a lot better for me. That's if we can get it. So that's on SOFI, which looks good. All right, so cool. Yo, Wilder Boy, what's up, bro? Yeah, I got you, man. IWM, yep, got you. We'll pull that up too. We haven't pulled that up at all today. So you trade breakouts, yo, Gavin. Well, I trade the Potter box. So I just use the Potter box. So each day, I get it looks very simple. It looks, you know, it doesn't look complicated at all. You know, shout out Potter Stocks as well. Make sure you give him a follow. But yeah, shout out Jesus. Same thing here, bro. Clear gap down. So I'm basically targeting into the empty space after we break outside of Potter boxes. So you can see the play like yesterday. You can see what a few members did just yesterday. And we had to actually hold. So on SPY, we had to hold this one for a good minute. So I'm thinking if I have to, you know, get the full move today, if we end up moving very slow, which I think we may, just a bit, I think I might have to hold it just a little bit longer than usual. So same thing, clear gap up. Got a nice Potter box that we need to break, so I'm targeting into the empty space. So that's basically, so it goes hand in hand. It's that's just how I trade. I like simple trades. I don't like to, you know, overthink or overcomplicate my entries and exits. I need the simplest thing so I can, you know, make some, you know, some decent cash on that. So yeah, that's pretty much my standpoint. You can see what a few other people did. What, Monday, Tuesday. I can scroll up to a random time and show you like just a random chart. So like, boom, Tesla, clear gap down there. We're in consolidation, no trade. We break outside of consolidation. We take the trade. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Are you trading today? Low volume? I might end up getting maybe at least 1 or 2 hits. So the last 2 days have been great. But yeah, I will say I'm not gonna. I'm not full porting today. But yeah, if I get 1 or 2 decent trades, I definitely will. I finished the steps on your bio, but I don't see the Discord link. So yeah, let me know if you have any questions. You can DM me here on TikTok, or if you're inside the Discord, you can DM Milo. It should work though. Let me know if you're in the free or the or trying for the VIP. Just let me know. Could be an email issue. Yo, Christian, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. Alright, so yes, IWM, let's go over this. Let's take a look here. Okay, you try the free one? Yeah, you should be in. So once someone enters their email, they should pretty much get that access. If not, then yeah, just give me a DM and I got you, bro. Alright, let's see here. Let's see. IWM. Okay, IWM doesn't look too bad, actually. It doesn't look bad at all. So AMD 30 minutes, Robinhood. Yep, got you guys. We'll pull that up right after this one. Do you trade live? Yeah, sometimes I trade live on TikTok. Yes, but most of our main trades will be inside the Discord. But yeah, throughout the week, I do like to at least do like a couple trades on live stream. Alright, so IWM actually doesn't look bad. I'm not going to say we're going to get a move. If I took this, I kind of would want a strong candle closure outside of our level, our box. You can see we've been pretty much wicking this whole time. Wicking. So I would want a strong candle closure outside our box here. If I take it on a lower time frame, yeah, I got to be a very strong close outside this level here into the empty space. So yeah, that's crazy. Hold on, let me make sure I'm on the right one. I think I am. Okay, yeah. You can see how these candles are been a little bit weird, low volume there, and just a whole bunch of going back and forth. Do the daily chart. So what? The 24-hour? Yeah, I got you, man. And yes, I pretty much use the 24-hour rather than the 1 day. But 24-hour chart. If you wanted me to look at this, I'll be honest. This is what I would do here. Personally, I probably won't take this, but probably would take it above that 253 up to this 258. That's what I see there. But yeah, the 1 hour looks good. Looks really decent for a small little day trade. Alright, so yeah, let's keep on going. Let's see here, let's see. Dude, I didn't even check the other chat at all. Alright, yeah, we're good. Yo, what's up everyone in the other chat? Appreciate you all tuning in. Alright, alright, so yeah, we did IWM, we did Tesla. Let me see the keys. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we already did the keys here. Yeah, we already did that. Alright, so now let's do IWM. Alright, we actually already did IWM. AMD. I know a couple people want to see that. So we got to go over Path. Path will be next as well, DJT. I'm going to pull up at least one more chart here. Let's see. Robinhood, so HOD. Let's do that too as well. Nike. NKE. Alright, cool. AMD on the 30-minute. Yep, gotcha, bro. And then, yeah, I'm going to pull up one more chart for Apple. Yo, Corvette, what's up, bro? AAPL, and then, all right, cool. Let's do it. All right, so on Hood, I kind of would want to see us breaking outside of our box. So what I circled here is that retest level that we would have to get above in order for us to finish this upside. So yeah, we would need that nice push outside of that box in order for us to target into this empty space, this upside there. I will say though, so yeah, 120.20 is that little trade there that I would like for us to finish that bigger move to this upside. I do see that, so I definitely won't take this to the downside, probably not. But yeah, I can see if we can stay under this level, this wall here, under that 119.32, could see down to that 117. So pretty decent move, or small move, $2 move down. So that's a little play that I can see. All right, so that's there. Path. Okay, so let's go to a 24-hour, maybe even a weekly chart. I already see something here that I like. Okay. Yeah, there is something here. Yeah, looks good. So obviously, maybe on maybe on a 1 month chart, it'll look a lot crazier, I would say. So yeah, that looks wild, man. Okay, we'll do the weekly first, and then we'll do a 1 month. So the weekly actually doesn't look too bad. All right, so let's see. All right, yeah, we got some empty space above us. Personally, I do like above this. Let's see, 2043. Kind of want to see up to this 2283, which looks really good. So not too bad there. Empty space that is currently above us. Path just got added to S&P. Oh, dude, really? Okay, cool. I'll actually write this in my notes and give this a little watch. So Path, all right, cool. Not Path. All right, so yeah, we'll do it. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so yeah, it looks like we got empty space there. Obviously, on the 1 month chart, it does look wild. And what I mean by that is, so honestly, I could even just box this whole thing up, and then there's a lot of empty space that is above us, all the way up to that 6194. So absolute crazy. So if that ends up happening, if it happens smoothly from that 2489 up to that 6187, oh brother, yeah, that would be a crazy payday, looks like. All right, so yeah, that's cool. DJT Nike. All right, we'll go over these. AMD, we'll go over that too as well. Yo, FN, what's up, bro? Good to see you, man. NUAI, yep, cool. So yeah, we got all these stocks and trades we will be going over. Just give me a second. We want to get me a nice little refill. So yeah, 1 second here. As usual, you know this by now. But yeah, if you want to join the Discord, links in the bio. You can join the free chat, the VIP chat. You see what we do here. Just scroll through, and then boom, that's it. So you can see what a few members did just yesterday on a few call outs on a few plays. So yeah, pretty decent week so far this week. But yes, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. If you do want to join, links in the bio. If you don't, no worries at all. Just make sure to do your own research if you do plan on joining. And yes, if you have any other requests, now's the time to drop these in the comments, and we will be going over them. So yes, 1 second here, guys. Yo, Carla, what's up? What's up? Good to see you once again. Do you think the market is going to chop? I feel like we will get like at least 1 or 2 moves during the day. So like, I guess like once market opens, I feel like we might get 1 or 2 hits. And then I feel like, yeah, we're gonna chop for the rest of the day. So my plan is for today, just get 1 quality setup, and if we end up chopping, then yeah, I personally won't force anything, since we had, you know, a very, very good first 2 days. But yeah, if we end up getting some entries, I'll definitely end up trying it for sure. So it was kind of like yesterday. So yeah, we called this play out, and like, if you're in the Discord, a lot of times our day trades, they happen a lot faster. But yeah, we had to hold this one for, it feels like we held it for years. And that final TP didn't end up hitting until the end of the day. So we got in this, like 30 minutes after market open or so, if I'm not mistaken. And then that final TP, so that first TP hit like after the first 30 minutes, hour or whatever. And then that final, it took some time. So I feel, and you know, we had some decent hits yesterday, right? And I feel like today might be a little bit slower. So we're just gonna have to see how things play out. Just don't want to get stuck in any trades. And yeah, if I get into a trade, if I have to cut it, cool. Obviously, you know, if I take profits, I'll take some profits for sure, though. So yeah, not in a rush. Just want to see how, you know, the market opens, and then yeah, that's that. Can you take a look at FHYMC? Yep, got you, bro. Let me take a look there as well. All right, DDT above that 1474. I do see empty space above into that 1676. Obviously below us. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. 1382 down to this 1088. So that also looks really decent, really good. Right now, yeah, we're just in that Potter box, in that consolidation. So everyone knows this by now. If we're in that box in consolidation, no trade. If we are outside of consolidation, that's when we trade. So so that's what I'll be doing today. We're in consolidation, no trade. We outside of consolidation, I'll take it. All right, so AMD, I think we won it on the 30-minute chart here. So AMD actually ended up hitting that first TP. Let me see here. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look too bad at all. Don't wanna. Let's see. So this is the box that I'm seeing here, which looks good. So. All right, cool. Top, bottom wall there, empty space right above this 215. So yeah, we got another little move here, which looks good. But yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. I want to see up to that, what is this, 2017. Yeah, looks good. 94 empty space above. So yeah, right now, same thing. I would say we're in that box. So yeah, got to be careful. Looks pretty good. If we can get that little upside, and yes, I will get that. I'll take this off the screen here too. Yo, Jenna, what's up? Hopefully I said your name right. But yeah, we're using the Potter box right now. So POTT Potter box. And yeah, this is what we use every day, or at least for me, or especially in the Discord too. So every day that's what I use. I don't care about anything else. Obviously, there's a little bit more factors, but you know, that's pretty much it. And I get it. Look, it may look stupid. It may look, you know, very simple. But I'll be honest. I like simple trades. I don't like to, you know, complicate, you know, things or confuse myself. I don't like to confuse others. You know, I just like to be like, all right, look, guys, we're getting in, we're getting out. And yeah, that's that. So, all right, let's see here. Yo, Richard, what's up? What's up? Good to see you, bro. All right, so I use Orb, fire. Keep up the great work. So I did see a lot of people use that too. Yeah, I personally don't use Orb, but I've heard a lot of people use it. So yeah, if it works for you, keep up the great work for sure. Dude, yeah, gotcha, man. NVDA, yep, got you. We got to do NUAI too. I forgot to do that. NVDA, all right, cool. We'll take a look there. So what, AMD? So yeah, AMD I like above that 215 into that empty space above us. Obviously below, down to that 214. Could see down to this 213. So there's another little pocket that I can easily see. So a small little pocket there, a little, you know, dollar move, and then yeah, looks good. All right, cool. All right, so Nike, yeah, man, I'm waiting on this. Actually, it looks really good, I would say. So yeah, man, we're still in this box. So kind of want to see if we can. Not saying that we will get it today. Honestly, if we don't get this today, could get it Friday next week. I would be a happy camper. Both at 59.69, empty space up to this 65.42. So would love a 1 hour close above our box. If I took a lower time frame, we'll just need some strength above, and then yeah, that looks really good to me. So yeah, that's what I can see on Nike. So I do have it written down. So we'll have to see. Yo, Mitchell, yeah, my bad, bro. I know you requested this, like, at the beginning of the live stream, so my bad. How to join Discord? Yo, Carl, what's up, dude? Yeah, the Discord link is in the bio, man. Honestly, the free chat is there if you like. Honestly, scroll through, see what we do here. You can, you know, this is the free chat. You can talk to the members. You can ask them what we do here, see if we, you know, or if we BS or if we're real. We do have those codes too. Yeah, so these codes will be ending on Friday. So, see those. And this is pretty much the biggest sale of the year. So yeah, that's that. All right, so Nike looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna actually keep that up. Let's see, NUAI. Let's take a look here. He said up 34%. That's, dude, fire, man. Keep up the great work, bro. Let me see here. All right, let me see. Let's see. Yeah, just give me a DM. If you have any trouble with the Discord, I got you guys. So Milo is also in there too. So if you are inside of the Discord and need help with anything, just give him a little message. Alright, so NUAI, okay, this is what I kind of like here, so can see that there's a little consolidation here. Alright, yeah, sounds good, man, no worries. So yeah, I'll answer all questions after the live stream, so so probably after some of the trades. So yeah, 516, kind of like up to this 571. So this is on the 24-hour chart. We can go to a higher time frame too. This is just what I like here. Right now, I get it. Yes, it looks like we're going into empty space, which I ended up missing there. So if we can get this little next leg up, looks really, really good. All right, so that's there. Let me see where the Qs are. Let's see what the damage is here on some of these trades. All right, so Qs. Let me see where SPY is. What is SPY up to? Okay, SPY's doing its thing. Okay. Hold on one second here. So it looks like we already... Hold on. One second. I'm just double checking my work. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Alright, cool. So yeah, we still have the upside here. Kind of want to see if we can break and press this upside, but yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. Obviously that downside looks really, really good though. So we break under there, and we got a lot of empty space that is below us. Alright, cool. Let's keep on going here. ORCL, yep, got you, bro. Let's see it. ORCL. Disney. Yo, Jose, good to see you, bro. Honestly, bro, you didn't, actually, you did end up missing a couple, trades, but, yeah, it looks like we are in a little bit of chop, so yeah, we're just gonna have to see how things play out for, today. Alright, one second here, guys. Yo, Steady, thanks for training live stream, appreciate it. Alright, so. All right. Hold on, let's see here. Yo, Catherine, what's up? Good to see you. PLCR, yep, got you. Hold on. So we got to do Disney, RCL. We did Nike. Did I skip Apple? I'm not sure. I don't. Okay, maybe I did skip Apple. My bad. Yo, Potter, what's up, bro? Merry Christmas, my guy. Good to see you, bro. Everyone go give Potter stocks a follow. And yes, we will be doing a class. I think in January or sometime in early 2026, where I'm establishing a class. So that is the big announcement that we had. So it's going to be me and Potter teaching in that one class. It's going to be pretty nice. I'm still getting everything pretty much sorted out. But yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. So anyone that's needing a little bit of extra help, yeah, it's gonna be cool, dude. Yeah, it's gonna be fire, man. So yeah, make sure to give Potter stocks a follow too. So my thought process is like, he explains things a little bit different than I do, and I explain things a little bit different too. So I feel like it'll be great for people to get two perspectives, and yeah, it'd be pretty cool, man. All right, let's see here. When? So I'm thinking early next year. So pretty much still getting everything sorted out. So I think Ivy is doing everything. So let me know if you want me to send over tax tips for everyone so you can give it. Yo, Carla, yeah, that'll be fire. That'll be cool. Potter speaks highly of you, nephew. Yo, Rise and Shine, what's up, man? My bad, not man. My bad. You're doing great. Yo, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. My bad, that's just my language. Yeah, Potter's great. Make sure to give him a follow, things of that sort too as well. But yeah, it's gonna be a cool class. Potter's drinking coffee, dude. I'm drinking grapefruit juice and water right now. So, all right. So yeah, let me look at Apple. So Apple, this is on the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour, want to see above this 275. Up to this 278. Right now we're in a little bit of chop. I do see that on this 1 hour here. Let's see. Market closes early today. Yep, it closes early. It closes at 1 p.m. Eastern time. So I'll be honest, today's probably going to go really fast. Unless if we chop, so we might end up chopping. So, but yeah, maybe 1 or 2 trades. Not gonna force anything crazy. Obviously, you know, this is also a small little move here if it does want to happen. So right above this 272 to that 273.13 looks really, really good. So not too bad there. He said, sure, I'll follow him. Yeah, man, go ahead and do it, bro. Or actually, I can't tell anyone to do anything, so make sure to everyone do their own research before doing anything, of course. Alright, cool. So we'll see. So that's on Apple, looks good. ORCL. So yeah, we didn't do ORCL yet. He said, I'm on 3 out of my 4 trades for the week. Should I save my last one for the day after Christmas? So honestly, like for me, we did pretty good for the past 2 days. I'm just gonna be honest. I definitely won't be full porting. I won't be getting giving anything back that we already did from the past 2 days. But I will say, if we get a good play, I'll definitely try it. Like I'm not scared. We're just gonna have to see how things play out. But yeah, we'll just have to see, man, for sure. For me though, I probably would just just wait it out. Yeah, dude. Yeah, today, bro. I'm not gonna. There's not gonna be any tears for me. I'm not gonna cry. I'm gonna have a good Christmas. Hopefully everyone does too as well. So yeah, it's gonna be a great day for sure. Yeah, I might have to, dude. If I full ported and I might have to buy a box of tissues, or maybe you guys can send me. I might have to create a PO box so you guys can send me some tissues. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, just gonna keep the risk a little bit lower today. And yeah, just see how things play out. Dude, Potter, what are you doing, man? Alright, so Disney. So yeah, this play already kind of happened here. Let's go ahead and get rid of this so no one's confused. Ooh, actually, yo, Disney looks good. Maybe I'll write this down. Hold on, give me a second here. So this is on DIS. Disney, alright, cool. Let me see here. Okay. So I've seen that actually doesn't look bad. Body candle, wick, 3 points of contact there. Right up. Hold on, 1 second here. Right above that 113. Do like up to this 117, which actually doesn't look bad. So we'll have to see how things play out. So yeah. Over that 113.44, there's a little pocket here up into this 117, so that looks really, really decent. QN CCF. Let's see here. All right, yeah, we'll take a look at this. So yeah, we already hit my targets on this, I would say. So I kind of would just let it try to build. Probably wouldn't want to take anything above that until see that 395 into that empty space, or no space, I guess you could say. So yeah, that's that. All right, so Rug sent a beautiful message inside the chat. So if you're in the Discord, you can see that. So I'll go ahead and leak it so you can screenshot that and read it if you want. But yeah, we'll have to see how things play out. Looks like I'm gonna have to tweak this up here just a bit. Looks like, yeah, we might end up dropping here. We'll see though. But yes, guys and gals, thanks so much for tuning in to the live stream. I will be getting off now. Obviously, yes, Walmart is doing really, really good. Do want to see that 109, and then want to see that 106, which looks good. Leak it again, dude. Yeah, I got you, bro. So pretty much you can see. So yeah, he sends messages like this every single day inside the chat. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We just try to help out. Calm the nerves and just tell them to chill out and just wait for the trades. But yeah, thank you all so much for tuning in, guys. I'll see you either inside the Discord or in my next live stream. So yes, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. Free chat, VIP chat. These codes will be ending on Friday too. So yes, have a blessed one, guys. See you all soon. Join Potter too as well. Make sure to give him a follow as well too, man. So yes, see you all soon. B-side in Discord. Have a blessed one, guys.